Welcome to our discussion on internationalization and strategic partnerships in higher education. Did you know that most universities and colleges today offer international engagement on some level? But did you also know that most seem to struggle with building sustainable programs and utilizing all resources available to them? Our video series aims to spark conversations and questions by providing strategies and programs tailored to your needs. So let's get started. In most universities, international offices struggle with having too many Memoranda of Understanding, MOUs, without many of them materializing into international cooperation. They also seem to service all regions and countries without focused activities and resources to be everything to everyone, running in all different directions at all times. Some programs are driven purely by the chase of grants and solely follow the funding approach. While the elements of a strategic program exist, long-term strategy may get lost a bit. Are any of these challenges familiar to you? Our video series aims to help you overcome these challenges by providing strategies and programs tailored to your needs. We'll help you focus your resources and activities on specific regions or countries where you have the greatest potential for success. We'll also help you develop a long-term strategy that takes into account your institution's strengths and weaknesses, as well as the needs and interests of your students and faculty. Internationalization is a key aspect of higher education that can help students and faculty members alike to gain valuable experience and insights from around the world. What does internationalization mean to you and your institution? Are you simply looking to increase the number of international students? Or would you like to engage more existing students in study abroad programs? Perhaps increasing international research engagement is a goal? Grants and projects? Internationalized curriculum? Fundraising from international alumni? All of those? Despite the relative affluency in the US in comparison to other countries, gaining international experience as a student is not widely adopted. According to information by NAFSA, the Association of International Educators, only less than 2% of U.S. students receive credit for participating in study abroad programs. Now, there are international programs available to students without credit, but even if we doubled this number, it is still very low. The numbers are more promising as we look at graduate programs. On the other hand, the faculty member body in the U.S. is highly international, with some areas of expertise having high percentage of international students and faculty. International research collaboration opens doors to shared resources and best practices and, in many cases, helps to identify new research questions and approaches. While providing opportunities for professional development and networking, international research collaboration allows for building very focused multidisciplinary research teams with wider access to infrastructure and experience for producing complex research outcomes. But there are other opportunities to consider: international recruitment, international alumni, and even international sharing of experiences on administrative level. I hope you enjoyed the first segment of our video series on internationalization and strategic partnerships in higher education. In the next video, we will be discussing how to create an international strategy for your university. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the Global Strategy Hub channel so you don't miss it.